Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Margaret from Maxiers. After 2 days of 3D printing, we have learned so much about it. We have learned how to print, how to set up, and how to make models for the 3D printer. My first print was this. It is completely ruined, as you can see, and I really find it normal that a newbie like me would have this kind of result at their first try. Because when you start a new hobby, you usually make mistakes. Then later you get used to it, and soon you'll start understanding how to do this and that. So my fellow friends, please do not rage if your first try ends up like this. Just try to find a different solution for a problem. My dad realized that the first failure was not due to the leveling. It was due to the temperature of the extruder and the bed. The files that came with the printer had incorrect settings, so it ended up like this. My other problem was that one of my knobs had a thread problem, so it was extremely difficult to level the bed, and it is still incorrectly leveled. And instead of returning our printer, we decided just to print our own level knobs and our own spring guide. I really find it really interesting that a gadget like ours could print its own spare parts for itself. I really find that interesting. Our other problem was that during our test, the bed hit the cable and the cable got disconnected from the motor. So tonight we're going to print the cable chain, so it will hold the cable in its place, and we'll hope it will not happen again. After my first 3D fail print, my dad, just as a guess, increased the temperature for the bed up to 67 degrees, and for the extruder, he increased it up to 210 degrees. And here are the test prints. It turned out just as fine. I think the one in the left is better than the one in the right. It is really intriguing to watch how my gadget prints 3D things, and I want to do time lapse, so I surfed through Thingiverse. It's where you can see people's models, and I found a camera rig for A5 JGAURORA, and we printed overnight, and this is our final product. For the camera support, we used PETG as recommended, and for the camera holder, we used PLA. The color is the same, and it is really difficult to tell the color difference. Fun fact, guys, Amazon sells filaments 40% cheaper than the ones on GearBest and on Banggood, and it also delivers it in one day. Plus, it might be a better brand. I think it's a better brand. We bought Hatchbox, and inside the box there is a brochure. It says that Hatchbox makes transparent filaments. Soon we'll start buying them, and we'll make cool things out of it. This is our first practical item, Runcam 2 mount. Our first model was to see if Runcam 2 can fit in. Okay. Our second model, we wanted to see if it can fit over Furby 140, but we're able to mount, but it is really hard to mount because of the holes. It's really hard. And our third attempt of making Runcam 2 mount was we used an online software called Tinkercad, where you can adjust the model, and on Kura we forgot to add support, so it ended up like this. While it was printing, I didn't see any support, so I stopped the printing process because there is no use printing something that would be unsuccessful and time consuming. Plus, the hole isn't wide enough for the strap. So either way, support or no support, it still will have been unsuccessful. And here's our fourth attempt. It's briefly designed. The strap can fit in. It can mount really easy. I really like it. I really like the logo. But during the cleaning process, my dad by accident broke the back pieces. And here's some of the tools that he used to take out the support. A construction knife, chisel, filings, a screwdriver with a curved edge, piercer, and pliers. Let me know in the comments below if you know any other special material that would be much more easy to remove the support. We're still gonna test it on the field just to get the idea, and later we're gonna adjust the angle, and make the design a bit different, so the back pieces won't break that easily. So far, I am very happy with this printer. It took a little time to assemble. My dad took the same approach as for quadricopters. He bought not very expensive and nearly ready-made thing so I can enjoy right away. As for quadricopters, he bought not very expensive and ready-made toy quad so I could start learning quickly. Later on, we progressed to the point where we built our own quadricopters, and we're gonna do the same thing with 3D printers. Soon we'll buy a DIY kit and we'll start building it step by step. To my dad's opinion, that's how you should start a hobby. First, try. If you like it, dive deeper into it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!